Step into the 2017 Toyota RAV4. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a trip computer, heated seats, automatic temperature control, front fog lights, lane departure warning, and a split folding rear seat. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you